Good morning and happy Veterans Day to all my veterans out there. Today was a very uneventful day, but I still made some good stuff happen like in MSPR. There really just wasn't a whole lot to trade today, so it's going to be kind of a short video, but I'm going to talk through exactly what went through my mind today, how I traded today. That way you can do it too. And so going into today, of course, I understood that, of course, most traders would not have settled funds today because, of course, it is a bank holiday, and so people didn't get their funds settled overnight. And so I'm already expecting a little bit less volume. And then you also pair that with the fact that a lot of traders actually thought the market was closed today. And for whatever reason, I don't know why that happens so much on bank holidays. People just think the market's closed, and it just makes no sense, but that's just how most people think. So I came in today not expecting a whole lot, and we only had two gappers this morning in pre-market. And the main one that I was watching this morning, which was leading gapper, just didn't do anything. And it was on QNRX, and QNRX in pre-market looked insane. This thing looked awesome, but it failed to do anything. And I tried to play it today. You can see here what I tried to do, and take a look at this. This is leading gapper from pre-market, and so this puts in place this lower high and puts in place this higher low. I tried to take it off these pullbacks to see if I couldn't get a squeeze up through its highs. I was wanting to see a move sort of like this. And the issue with these higher share price names is just that. They're higher share price names. And so this one, for example, has a 590,000 share float. And this thing was literally popping and dropping $1 a candle. It was just insane. $1 per 15-second candle. It was wild. And so as I began to see how it was trading, I went ahead and I just cut it. Ended up making a bit of a move, but it is what it is. This thing was very choppy. I couldn't really get it to work. I was getting really bad reads on it. You can see here, I was trying to play it up through these highs for the breakout. It just wasn't the day. And so then I move on from this and move on over to MSPR. And now MSPR traded it quite well. And so I was watching this in pre-market this morning, although I was a little bit cautious because I knew we had the 69-cent level right here from the daily time frame. So I wanted to wait until after market open to see if this thing would actually find a decent buyer, and thankfully it did. And so finds a big buyer out of the bell here, breaks to the upside, pulls back and puts in place this tight range. Now, as it puts in place this tight range, I'm sitting here looking for a confirmed break to the upside. So we can use this past area of liquidity as our area of risk. And so what happens here is I look for that break of that high. Take a look. Really nice, easy pivot setup here. And so look for the break of that past candle's high, and that's all it is. And so I take the breakout. Stop loss goes here at the bottom of this zone. Then I just raised my stops in the 1 minute candle until I eventually got stopped out. You can see here, just stop until I eventually got, again, stopped out with profit. It's a very easy trade there. Very happy with that. And then again, was able to take some pullbacks. And then even up through here, you see price pullback off this previous low, which we again identify here as being higher. Oh, that's not the right tool. As we see being identified here as higher low. I take some pullbacks, get a very small win up here into the highs. And overall, did pretty well on this. About 3 for 3 on this one this morning. So I'm pretty happy with this. QNRX did nothing. We also, GN was a pain. I had a lotto position on this, and I really wanted this to work. But this thing was a pain, man. And so this gets going here up through VWAP, and I initially want to play it here, but we're underneath VWAP, and I leave it alone. I'm not a mass. The fact is, I'm so like, I just didn't want to play a halt today. I didn't want to take these higher risk setups today because here's the thing. The market's slow. I've got nothing else to trade, and so it's like, by doing that, I feel like I'm being irresponsible. It's just not the day for doing that. And so I didn't want to come in here and get aggressive, trying to take it off a different rip off of VWAP, and so I didn't. And so that's the thing, is that you take these higher risk setups, you get aggressive, you flip red, and then guess what? You got no way to come back from it because there's nothing else moving. And so you're just stuck right on the day. And so it's this really unfortunate thing. And this thing gets going up over the highs. And so it's just this really unfortunate thing with the conditions today of how slow it really was. I'm a bit more hesitant to take these higher risk setups just because of that. And again, the same went with QNRX. I tried to get a little bit aggressive on that and play it up. But as soon as I saw how it was trading, I said, no, never mind. And so even here, I try to play with lotto size. I kid you not, risking lunch money size on this. Off the pullbacks, trying to get the curls off the 90 MA. Got a little bit aggressive here, trying to see if we could get the 1 minute follow through. And again, as you can see, we didn't. So took a very small loss on this, and overall ending the day just pretty much flat. It's very uneventful. It is what it is. What can you do? I got 2 wins, 2 losses today. Thankfully, the losses were lottos. One of the losses was a lotto, but that's just the morning. So Veterans Day today. Again, thank you for your service. If you are a veteran watching this video, without you, we wouldn't have the freedom to do anything that we do like this on a daily basis. So from everybody at Momentum, thank you so much for your service. And everybody else out there, hopefully you had an awesome day today. It was very slow, uneventful, not much to do, but that's okay, and that's how it's going to be today. I warned everybody. I knew it was probably going to be the case. Tomorrow, we're going to be back to normal. So as always, if you did learn something from this video, make sure to subscribe for daily content just like this. Claim your 7-day free trial down in the description below. That way you get alerts, education, chat room access, live trading streams, scanners, news, and so much more. And that being said, I'll see you there.